Hi iPhone and iPad users. Hey, this is Dave Rebro. Here's some tips that I'm going to be sharing with you in my upcoming workshop, how to transform your iPhone, iPad into your 24/7 personal assistant. So check out these ready-to-use tips for your iPhone. The way I use Siri the most with the phone app is I ask Siri to call people for me who are in my contacts. For example, I could say, "Hey Siri, call Dave," and Siri will dial the number for me. This is great when I want to do hands-free calling when I'm traveling in my car. When I want to redial the last number I called, I just simply ask Siri to do it for me by saying, "Hey Siri, redial that last number." If I think I may have missed a call, I can ask Siri to check to see if I have any missed calls. And if so, Siri will present them. You can also tell Siri to read your missed calls, and it will actually read it right back to you. That was a tiny taste of the delicious stuff I'm going to be sharing with you in that workshop coming up on March 16th. So if you own an iPhone or an iPad or both, and you want to learn how to turn your devices into your personal assistant, click below to learn more about this workshop and to reserve your spot. All right, I look forward to seeing you on the 16th.